Today we're going to go over how to request a family court transcript, the application process, what you need to do, and the value in requesting court transcripts for your family court case. Requesting your transcripts is actually quite simple. You're going to need this form here. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you so you can access it pretty freely. You're going to, unless it's an appeal case, you're just going to click non-appeal. And depending on how soon you need this is going to be the expense. Transcripts can truly range from a few $100s to over $1,000. So however fast you need this, you'll just click that box. You'll fill out the normal information here, your docket. Again, just your normal information, the date of the proceeding, the what type of hearing it was, and the judge. This just allows the person, whoever's doing the transcript, to find what you want them to find. And then after this, you're going to send it to this email over here. Again, I'll also have that email in the description below. Why are transcripts important? So here's an example of my case. As you can see, the first part here that's highlighted, the court, the judge basically is not going to change anything. And then you hear the other party saying thank you. And then, they say all right. And then you have me saying, well, you know what? There's just too much turmoil. She can wait in the car. She just can't be allowed in my apartment. And then you see the judge down here saying that's all right. And of course I say, okay, thank you. And then of course the opposition is like, he wants me to sit outside for 3 hours. And I just say, it's not my problem. Court is over. Now, I basically had said this as the judge is getting up and leaving, and his acknowledgement, whether he acknowledged what I said or he was just trying to brush me off, but because he said it on the record is what counts. So about a year later, I go to trial and I use this part of the transcript here. So the first part comes up. The court says, can I see the transcript from the 3rd of December, which is what that other one was about. Of course, my attorney says yes. The court is reading it. Court acknowledges. So on December 3rd, Mr. Me asked Judge McGann if I would be able to sit in her car because there was too much turmoil, and that's all right. And then the witness says, that's what I said. And so now here's an acknowledgement. This is where it comes up in court in that transcript at first. Now the rest of the pictures I'm going to show you are from the same transcripts, the same hearing, just further down. Later in that hearing, as you can see, the slides keep going further. Later in that hearing, the judge clearly says, I understand, but as of December 3rd, this date, she was on notice of the court saying that she did not have to be in the apartment and of course he's talking about me, and saying that, she was also not allowed to do these other things as well. So, the clip before, we have the judge, they're us testifying to it, them testifying to it, the judge acknowledging it. He's acknowledging it again here, and then we'll move into his judgment. So now we're at his judgment, which is the end of this transcript, where he informs her, like, you weren't allowed to do this. The other transcript holds, and she knew that she wasn't allowed to violate my rights and withhold parenting time based on her decision to because she didn't want to sit outside or whatever reason. The judge acknowledged it, and the judge ruled in my favor here. And so this is what this last part of this transcript is about. So hopefully you guys see it's truly important to keep your transcripts, especially if the other party says something or you say something that might be leading into something that helps you. But they're just truly invaluable. I will be showing each and every transcript from the beginning of my hearing until where I'm at now to help you guys. So tell me what you think. If this content helps you, please like and subscribe. Any questions that you have, please feel free to put them in the comment section of my channel. The goal is to help everybody, and I'd love to answer any of your questions. And just remember to learn, adapt, and overcome.